We are making this delicious, eye-catching, mouth-watering, juicy, soft donut with you guys. It's amazing and it's a very simple recipe that I'm going to use. So if you don't have milk, there is no problem. I got you. We are going to make it without using milk. Yeah. So join me as we are going to do this. Yeah, so without much further ado, sorry I didn't mention my name. My name is Juliet Bala. In case you're new here, welcome. And if you've been there, thank you so much. And yeah, thank you, all of you. And if you may subscribe, please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel so that you can get to 500 subscribers, then 1000, if possible 2000. I will appreciate. So share my video, and if it's helpful, please give it a thumb up, and also yeah, share with your friends. So what are you going to use? That is yeast. It's 11 gram. That is 1 tablespoon, sorry. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. That is sugar. Yeah. So the procedure is very simple, and follow, and please watch until the end. We're going to have a pinch of salt. Yeah, there is a pinch of salt. So, and a cup of water. Yeah, that's a cup of water. So the reason is why we're mixing these ingredient together, we want to activate the yeast. We are activating the yeast. That is warm water. So ensure that your water, or whatever that you're using, maybe it's milk, you can replace water with milk. So we'll set it aside so that the yeast can activate. Yeah. So after that, you're going to mix the dry ingredients. That is flour. We are going to use two glasses. You're going to use 2 glasses of baking flour, all-purpose flour. Yeah. So yeah. After that, we're going to mix it with unsalted butter. We're going to mix it with unsalted butter, and we are going to add 2 eggs. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. The echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop zone, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop moves wrap around my very being. Four place rhymes. So guys, our yeast is activated. As you can see, it has formed. Yeah, so we're going to mix to put it gradually. So we're going to mix it until everything is well cooperated. So ensure you mix the ingredients uniformly, and yeah, as we're going to mix the dough. Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. The echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. I'm using vegetable oil to avoid the stickiness. Yeah, so I wanted a stove that is, not hard but soft. So we are going to mix this and give it a therapy so that we can achieve, so that you can achieve a good consistency. Yeah, so yeah.
The trip hop moves wrap around my very being. Fun place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures.
So guys, it's ready, and we are going to set it aside to rest for 10 to 20 minutes, yeah, so that it can rise. Yeah, so while that is happening, I'm going to do the dishes. Okay, yeah.
Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop moves wrap around my very being. Fun place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions. Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation.
So guys, we are done with the dishes and we are here to check if our dough has already risen, and voila, it's ready, full of air inside. So this means we are going to start our cooking. We are going to start our deep frying. So we are dusting the surface. Yeah, to avoid the stickiness, it's necessary. You can use oil, and also you can also use the flour, yeah, baking flour.
Moves wrap around my very being. Fun place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. The echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through.
So guys, me, I wanted a big donut, so I'm going to use this red top. It's a bottle top, yeah, and I'm going to use this container over here so that I can have big donuts. I wanted them big, yeah, I wanted them big so that when I just eat one, I'm just satisfied. You can use the donuts at or I don't know. Yeah, you can opt for something circle and then you get it. Yeah, just see whatever that is in the house so that we can achieve this shape. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it looks nice.
The trip hop moves right around my very being. Full place runs the soundtrack to what I'm seeing.
I know guys, some of you are wondering why I'm using this paper, baking paper. The reason is this: we don't want to lose the shape. You know, when you carry them with your hands, definitely we will lose the shape. So that's the reason. So we will just dip them inside the oil together with the donut. Yeah. So after a while, in a few seconds, you will see that they will separate, and voila, you are ready to remove the paper. Just simple like that. Yeah. And then the next time you put one after another. So at this time, ensure the heat is in low. Don't put it so high. Ensure we are heating it on a lower heat. Okay, yeah, enjoy.
In this abstract hip hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop moves right around my very being. Full place runs the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions.
And voila, they're ready.
Fly. The echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. trip hop moves wrap around my very being.
So guys, we are going to dust our donuts with some sugar. You can add some cinnamon. Yeah.
I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions. Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night.
Donuts are ready. Come, come one, come two, come three, come all. It's ready, and yeah, just like that. It's very simple recipe, and you can achieve these amazing mouth-watering donuts. Okay, so this you can serve it with milk, coffee. Also you can serve it with some juice. Yeah, you can see they're so soft. Indeed, they were so yummy. They were so delicious. Okay, so go and try it. Go and try it and let me know how it turned up. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm so much overwhelmed. Thank you so much. Please share my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to give it a thumb up, okay, because I'm loaded with new recipe and you're going to love it. Okay, thank you so much. I don't have much to say. It's a wrap on my end. Until we meet again in another new video, bye, take care, I love you all. Bye bye.
Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage.